Good morning. Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Commodity Broker at RJO Futures, with morning comments on stock index futures. Well, what's the word of the day? The real word of the day is China. Early in the morning, they cut rates by 25 basis points, and the market, the stock markets around the world, loved it. The S&P June contract rallied 12 points in a matter of 5 or 10 minutes. That happened around 6 o'clock a.m. Central Time when they made their announcement. Now, what do we got on the docket? We got Bernanke talking right now, right here. Now, when China did cut their rate and England left their rates unchanged, but it was all about China, remember, it was not so much that that would help the economy or global economy. What it really meant was that they were willing to take action and take action now, when only last week and the week before and really all month of May, all the markets, when talking about risk, especially the stock markets that represent the economies of each country, was going down and going down strongly. Remember, in the end of the first quarter, we were up 12%, and then by the end of May, we went unchanged to a negative year. Now we're back a positive. The S&P, just to get engaged, looking at that situation, we went from 1,400 down to 1265, and now we are currently around 1325. Now, the last 15 points was on China this morning. Bernanke's talking now, and he's hemming and hawing about not probably giving QE3 right away. He stands ready and willing and able, and that's basically what we heard from the ECB. Talk is cheap, and the market really wants action. They want conviction that the central banks are going to help in any way they can. Now, Bernanke was talking about our fiscal policy and our deficit and the political structure to change things and not to tighten. So he's referring to taxes, raising versus lowering, and stimulating in some way through that measure. But he stands ready. All I can say is we hit our resistance area around 1325. The high in the June contract was 1329 and a half. We backed off. We're going to be a little choppy till he gets done. Remember, there's question and answers after he's done. Some hard questions will be coming. Remember calling me, Jeff Friedman, so that we can talk about any strategy on any market, short-term or long-term, swing trade or not, options or futures, or a combination thereof, technically or fundamentally. You should be calling me at 800-826-4124, and I'd be glad to talk to you about it. Remember always, though, trading futures and option to futures involves risk or loss and is not suitable for everyone. Good luck and good trading.